Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the official Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 clear grip case and seeing how it looks on the actual phone. So let's take a look. What have we got here? So you get the anti-reflective films with an official Samsung case, it seems, because we've got the applicator. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is the other bits for the applicator. That's the squeegee, dust cloth, microfiber cloth, and the dust stickers. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 clear grip case. As I said, I think it's a bit of a stretch calling it a case because essentially it only covers the back of the phone, but I digress. I like the clear because, you know, obviously you get to keep and showcase the original color of the phone. So in theory, it should just be a simple case of placing the phone face down like this, and then popping that on there and clicking it into place. Oh, there's a sticker that I have not removed. So try and get that closer for you guys to see. So there is a QR code sticker here that you can remove. So just be mindful that that's on there as well. So you can remove that. So put that to the side. And then, yeah, as I said, it should just be a case of aligning this onto the back of the phone and clicking it into place. And yeah, that is the clear grip case attached to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So you've got your grip here. I've got 4 fingers in there, seems a bit much, so we'll do 3. 3 is a bit easier for me because I've got big hands. So you put your hands in there, you got your grip there, and you can navigate your phone as you would normally. You can also open up so you get the full screen as well. And yeah, it's a nice feeling actually. It gives you good grip. At least it gives you confidence that, you know, you can hold and use the phone with the case on or half the case on, and you know, you're confident that you've got the phone gripped. You know, it's not going to just slip out of your hand. So that's handy to know at least. So that's good. But it feels good. You know, it's flexible. Again, only disappointment is that it only covers half the phone. The cover screen is left unprotected. The hinge is left unprotected, as you can see. So, you know, you need to decide whether you're somebody who wants hinge protection on your case and you want the cover screen to be protected as well. Other than that, it fits nicely. It's snug. You know, it's fairly flush against the phone, but it allows you to show off the original color that the phone comes in as well. All in all, it's quite nice. Just be mindful that the case only covers the back half of the phone here. It's quite nice. I quite like it. I quite like the grip on it. So that is just a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 clear grip case. So as always, if you like these videos, please smash that like button, subscribe if you're somebody new, and I shall see you lovely people on the next one.